Hi, most people will be searching where is the wrap text along a curve command into ArtCAM 2018. Wrap text along curve in ArtCAM 2018, because it is not a separate command as is it in 2008. In 2018 it comes along with the text command. So we will see how it's work. Now we will click the text command, then type what we want to type. So I am just wrap text along curve. So there is no separate command for this. So here what is happening is that at the end of the text command form there is a heading on a curve. So against that there is a select curve option. So if you want to wrap along this particular circle, so you can just click on it and then select curve button. You click on the select curve button. Okay, then the green sign will come. It will be wrapped along the curve. So here for adjusting the distance and all, you have to just click there, and to adjust the distance between the text or words and all. In 2008 you have a different option all of there, but here you have to just insert the cursor and move it, then it will spacing, it will come like this. Then there is options like that: above line, base line, center accent, below line, like that. So all these options, baseline like this, then below line will be there, so it will come below the line. Then you have some specify also. This all same as 2008. Specify, you can give more space, you can specify, then it will come with the more spacing. Also if you give 0, it will just the distance, and text other side option also is available. Then alignment options also available here. Different alignment options are also available, like vertical, and then stretch to fit, like this. All options are available. Rest all is same as ArtCAM 2008. And if you want to change this text to this curve, what you can change is that you can cancel this select curve option, and again you click this new curve, then select curve button, then the wrap along text will come on this, then create, then the command will finish. Okay, thank you.